Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find TikTok stream key on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to access the menu. From there, select TikTok Studio from the list. Inside the Studio section, tap on Live Center. To access live streaming features, you need to be eligible, which typically requires having at least 1,000 followers and being at least 16 years old. If you don't see a direct option for a stream key, TikTok may prompt you to use their Live Studio tool, which is their desktop streaming software. Follow the on-screen prompts to check your eligibility and request access to the stream key. Once approved, you should see an option for the stream key in the Live Center settings. Copy your stream key and use it with external software like OBS for streaming. If you cannot find the stream key, check TikTok's desktop version or wait for further eligibility updates. So that's basically how you can find TikTok's stream key on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.